we drove the Suburban yesterday. I think the starter's stuck on the flywheel. It's got broken teeth or something. So we're gonna replace the starter on this, well, we're not gonna replace the starter. We're gonna remove the starter and hopefully not have to replace the starter on my 91 Suburban. Passenger side, right at the transmission. Here it is. Here's the starter. There's this bolt here, that bolt there. Let's pull these out, see if the starter comes down. Well, I think I found part of the problem. Right there. The outer piece broke off, and I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's inside there. Well, that's the problem. Busted starter, so get it replaced, get it back in. $48 later, got the new starter. Time to put it back in. Finally getting it mounted up. Now let's fire it up. Let's turn it on. Look at that. Started right up. Perfect. That's what we want to see. Well, I hope you guys found this video informational, and I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.